name is Holland Raglan. Welcome to my channel, and this is my small kitchenette. Kitchenette. It's a kitchenette, honestly. I don't even have a full-size refrigerator or a stove. I ain't got nothing. And as you can probably tell by the title, I'm giving it a makeover. I don't like this kitchen, okay? I can't stand the granite. I can't tell where the crumbs are. I will clean, and I always seem to miss a crumb. Anyways, all in all, I just don't like this kitchen. So, welcome to my kitchen makeover. I don't know what that was. First order of business, replacing the granite with contact paper from the dollar store. Yes, I got this contact paper from the dollar store. So, yes. Okay, I'm gonna put this contact paper down. I've never used contact paper. I did a test from here to here, and it went pretty well, kind of. Actually, it did not go well. It took a very long time. This is gonna take a long time. I'm just gonna get into the video. Oh, got a little system going now. I ripped it. What I'm doing at the corners is I'm cutting it diagonally so I can fold them like that. Hey everyone, I'm gonna take a break from the contact paper, and while I do that, I'm gonna go on Google and search up some printable green plant pictures to put in these picture frames that I got at the dollar store. And yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna type in 2 green plant picture, yeah, and see what comes up. Let me type in picture sets. See what these look like. These are the 2 I decided on, so I'm gonna print them out and put them in the picture frames that I got from the dollar store, and these 2 things will have cost $2. So I'm going to use this as a template to cut this. I'm pretty proud of it. I'm pretty proud of that. So what I've done here is taken this Sharpie and this white love sign and colored it black because the white would clash against my walls. Oddly satisfying. These tiny little pieces save them. Because you can do that. And they blend right in. First order of business, replacing this with these. Okay. Oh, it's this way. I flipped it. Let me flip it.